Hey, this is Elaine with Sweet Stampin', and in this video I'm going to show you how to make this fun fold card to use your designer series paper with the Modern Garden bundle, which is part of the Garden Walk Suite. Here is my Modern Garden flip open card, and I have used 3 different designer series paper from the Garden Walk designer series paper that's part of the suite. I've used these 2 as well as this one. And there are many lovely pieces of designer series paper. The suite also includes the bundle, of course, Modern Garden stamp set and the Modern Label Punch, as well as these really pretty blooming pearls and this Calypso Coral braided linen trim. So for this card, I have a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of the designer series paper that I'm going to put inside the card. But first, after folding this 8 1/2 by 5 1/2 piece of cardstock, I'm going to cut from the top of here down to this corner using my trimmer. So I'm just going to line up the top in the track right here. This is my track, and then put that bottom point in the track as well. And then I'm just going to cut that. And then you can do the same thing with a 4 by 5 1/4 piece of the designer series paper. It's the same paper, just the other side. So that's what I've done with this piece right here. And this is going to go right in there. So now I have an 8 by 3 piece of Pretty Peacock cardstock, and I'm just going to adhere that in the middle of the card on the inside. So just add some adhesive in here, open the card up, and then just center it right in the middle, and then open it up, fold this flap in, and then fold this flap. So now I'm going to add this 2 7/8 by 3 7/8 piece to the front. Now I have a piece of white that is also 2 7/8 by 3 7/8 that I'm going to use for the inside of the card, which I'm going to stamp some flowers on. So now I'm going to use the Botanical Layers stamp to stamp some leaves. I really like the look of the leaves here, and I wanted a bigger leaf for the larger flower. So I'm just using a marker, Stampin' Right marker, to color the stamp. And then I'm just going to stamp that . Try to line it up as best I can since it's not clear. So now I'm just going to add this to the inside of the card. So I've used the Modern Label Punch to punch out this circle here, and I'm going to stamp "It's Your Birthday." I'm just going to stamp some of these Calypso Coral flowers on the sentiment, around the sentiment here. And I'll put some dimensionals on the top and the bottom so as to avoid the ribbon. Here's my kitty cat, Pepper. And that is my Modern Garden Fun Fold birthday card showing off the Garden Walk Designer Series paper. To receive this card kit, just place a $50 order using my current host code. Email me and let me know you would like the Modern Garden card class.